Rising above the ancient landscape, the remains of this historic castle whisper stories from centuries long past. From high above, its stone walls reveal the shape of a once powerful fortress, a place that guarded kingdoms, witnessed battles, and sheltered generations. As the drone glides across the ruins, every broken pillar and cracked pathway reminds us of the passage of time. Nature has slowly reclaimed these walls, weaving green life through the forgotten corridors. Yet, even in ruins, the castle stands with pride, a symbol of endurance, mystery, and timeless beauty. These breathtaking aerial views allow us to imagine how grand it must have looked in its golden age. Stay with us as we continue to explore more hidden histories and ancient wonders from around the world.